think it does look more rose gold, but I think it's really pretty. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brianna, and today's video is going to be a MacBook Air 2020 unboxing, and I cannot wait to get started because when I ordered this computer, I expected it to be here in like a few days, but I should have known better. And it took a few weeks, but it's finally here on a Sunday at that, and I can't wait to look at my new device and write books on this thing. So let's get started. All right, so it came in a box like this. It's still kind of wet a little bit because it was raining outside, but yeah, let's open it up. All right, take that off of there. All right. Very well protected, I see. Here it is in all its glory. And I want the gold color. I know in a previous video I was trying to decide if I wanted the silver or the space gray, but I changed my mind, like I typically do. All right, taking a little plastic off of it. Pretty easy to do. Thought I was gonna have to find a knife. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, this is just lipped off. Okay. Ooh, slowly. It's cute. Oh my gosh. Let's peel this back just to see exactly how it looks. Oh, did I actually put it back? Y'all, oh my gosh, this color is even more pretty in person. All right, so it has another layer of plastic around it. Look at her, she is beautiful. I don't know if it really looks gold or if it's like a rose gold. Either way, it's beautiful. Like she is so pretty. Oh my gosh. All right. And also in the box we have the charger, which is a little bit different than the previous one. It's one of those that has these kind of ends to it. Got the little stuff that be up in here. All right. And it has Touch ID, which I didn't know when I ordered. All right. Cool. USB 4 ports. All right. And then the stickers this time are the same color as the computer. Look at it. That's cute. I never really use the stickers though anyway, but you know, it's a cute little thing to have. And then you got your charger box here. I don't know why every time I get these boxes I always want to do this to make sure there ain't nothing else in there. All right. Let's flip this baby open. Oh, she talking already. Yeah, I'm so excited to use this new MacBook Air. Like, comparatively, even though I got a case on my old one, it's a little bit smaller, which is totally fine. Kind of look like the screen just oh no, I don't think the screen is bigger. I think it's just because the old one has that the silver part around it. Or the middle part around the screen, it makes it look bigger, but it's not actually bigger. Oh, I like that. It's also a little bit lighter than the old MacBook too. Sometimes I wish I would have ordered all these new devices when I still worked with Apple, so I can still have my employee discount. All right, I took the old computer out her case and cleaned her up a little bit, but this is the comparison. the silver MacBook Air 2015, and the gold MacBook Air 2020. Here's a size comparison. Slightly smaller. And the newer one is also a little bit lighter. And this right here is a display comparison. So I have the brightness turned all the way up on both laptops. And on the old one, you can tell like it's not as good as the new one because, yeah, it's like the color is more right. I don't really know how to say it on the new laptop because here it looks more whitewashed. And here it just looks more natural. All right, let me see if I can compare the sound. I'm gonna turn them about halfway up. Both about halfway. Okay, so here's the old one. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're a returner, thanks for coming again. Okay. New one. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're a returner, thanks for coming again. It's a little bit different. I'm trying to see what else I need to show y'all. Okay, I'm gonna just make some typing noises here. Oh, hold on. Probably should actually type something. I was trying to type my name, but I spelled it wrong. But this keyboard is a little bit louder than this one. And I'm gonna type my name on this one so y'all can hear the comparison. See, it's a little bit quieter, which I like because sometimes that clicking noise gets really annoying. All right, y'all. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, whenever I purchase a new laptop, I'll make sure I provide another unboxing. But it's probably going to be a while because hopefully this baby lasts me another 5 years like this one has. And like I said, the old one, nothing's wrong with it. It probably could have lasted me a couple more years, but I did think it was time for an upgrade because I don't treat myself enough. And like I'm about to be graduating soon, and this is my gift to myself because I think I deserve it. All right, I'll see y'all next time.